Yo, what's up guys? My name is Mario. I'm 32 years old and I'm from the Netherlands. I bought the Genius Trading Masterclass about 3 months ago and I really enjoyed it. It's very well explained and very detailed explained. And what I also like is that he also tells you about the mental part of the game. Because anybody can learn how to trade, but you really have to stick to your plan and don't trade with emotions. So it's really helpful to me. I've been trading for about 3 years, lost a lot of money because the most of the part of the 3 years I didn't have a good trading plan or a good strategy. So just doing something and lost a lot of money. So now thanks to the course, I first started with a demo account, tried that for 8 weeks, like also recommended in the course that you really start with a demo account. And then I made 25% profit in those 8 weeks. So I decided to start with real money just about 2 weeks ago. Unfortunately lost some money on my real account, but that's because the mental part of the game. And I didn't stick to my plan religiously. Like explained in the course, you really have to stick to your plan. That's what I didn't do. I lost some money, then I tried to get it back and over leveraged, no good risk management, which also very well explained in the course. So it's really my own fault, but I'm really sure that you can make a lot of money by trading, and also is a really good community. All the members are the Discord app, and everybody is real supporting, always helping each other and showing charts to each other and saying which things could do better and motivating each other. So I'm really glad I bought the course. It's the best investment I made in my life so far. And my financial goals are to be financially independent in about 5 years. So by the year 2025, I want to be a full-time and committed trader. I really want to succeed at this because I have a 1-year-old son and I would like to have as much time as possible to enjoy all the things in life with him. So and trading makes that possible. If you can make a lot of money in just 2 or 3 hours, that's some good shit. And especially I want to thank Rafael and all the other members in the Discord because they've been really helpful, and I'm really confident that I'm gonna make it and I'm gonna be a millionaire with trading thanks to Rafael and his Genius Trading Masterclass. Peace.